Okay. Oops. Sa ganda siya. Bigyan niya kadami yung ship dito. Welcome to Sati Village. It's cool. Grabe. Pag nandito ka na sa baba, dalawang option. Pwede ka mag-taxi. Sabi nung guide namin, easy taxi daw. Or, bayad ka nga lang ng 3,000. Pwede ka rin maglakad. Papunta doon. Sa mismong tayo. Okay. Start tayo. Start tayo na lakad.
Mama, Dada.
Okay. Wala yatang driver, so kailangan namin maglakad na kasi ang balik pa ng driver is 30 minutes.
As we walk toward the majestic Shireen Canyon, I can't help but feel a sense of awe. This place, shaped by millions of years, stands as a reminder of the beauty and power of nature. Together, as a family, we're creating memories in one of Kazakhstan's most incredible landmarks. Shireen Canyon, often called the Grand Canyon of Central Asia, is a stunning natural wonder located about 200 kilometers from Almaty, Kazakhstan. Stretching over 90 kilometers, it boasts cliffs and rock formations. The stunning rock formations of Shireen Canyon were curved over millions of years by the forces of wind, water, and erosion. The layers of sandstone and minerals create vibrant hues and unique shapes, each a testament to the slow, powerful work of nature.
Okay. Papahinga muna sila Glyza doon. Tapos try kong bumaba kung kaya tong sapatos ko. Let's see kung mag-hold to. Okay. Baba tayo doon. Yeah! Oh yes. That's nice.
As my daughter walks beside the canyon, my heart leaps with joy. She reminds me of my own childhood, how curious I was about everything, eager to explore the world and uncover the wonders. Seeing her amazement bring those memories rushing back. The lobby is the perfect place to begin your Shireen Canyon adventure. It features a variety of souvenirs from locally crafted items to keepsakes that capture the beauty of the canyon. You'll also find information about many activities available, including hiking and guided tours that highlight the area's history and natural splendor. One of the standout features of the lobby is the display of rocks and the minerals collected from the canyon. These exhibits showcase the stunning colors, textures, and formations that tell the story of the canyon's geological evolution.
Dito kami galing sa baba, papunta doon sa Shireen Canyon. I suggest kung pupunta kayo dito, i-rent nyo na yung 3,000 tenge na sasakyan para mapuntahan nyo yung dulo. Hindi na namin ginawa kasi kanina, waiting time 30 minutes. Kakapusin kami sa time, so yun. Yun na kami. Okay, ready? Okay, then. Go.
From up here, the world from up here, can see the world from up here.
Nandito kami ni Hopi sa Black Canyon. Hopi, look! Whoa! Say hi! Uy! Where's mommy? Mommy scared? Oh, mommy's there. On the camera, look. Where's mommy? Yeah. Say, I love you, mom.
I love you, Mommy.
Grabe. May mga cows dito. Dito sa side na to. Dito.
Yeah, I can see the world from up here. Yeah, I can see the world from up here. From up here, from up here. The world from up here. From up here, from up here. Can see the world from up here.
Done with Black Canyon. Nag-side trip tayo. Diretso na tayo sa ano ngayon, sa hotel na. Grabe. Tingnan niyo yung background ko. Wow. Super ganda. Nakakapagtaka dito, yung view. Tingnan mo yung dito, walang ice. Pag pumunta ka dito, yung bundok, purong-puro ng ice. Oo. Di ba? Tapos dito, sa harap. Yan. Pag dito sa kabila, walang ice. Di ba? Pero doon sa mga matataas na part, meron na. So, dami nagko-cross na ship. Hello, mga sheep! Hee-hee! Hello! Ang dami yan, oh. Oh, Hopi! Did you see the sheep? Oops! Nasa ganda siya. Grabe, ganyan kadami yung sheep dito. Ay! Why you say ABC, ABC? You keep on repeating ABC, ABC? Fresh honey. We'll try 3,001 kilograms. We'll try here. So that's the honey. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's see. Okay, see this one. Okay. Try. Sarap. Yum.
Fresh.
Nice. So, we can bring this in the airport?
Yes, it's okay.
Airport, no problem? No problem? Sure? Okay. This one, what's this?
This is
Roseberry. Okay, nakabili tayo ng honey. Try natin yun. So, doon natin siya binili. Doon. Okay? Welcome to Sati Village. Alright, we're inside Sati. And nakakatawa kasi ang daming sheep talaga. Dumating na tayo. Ito yung titirahan natin. So, dito tayo titira sa paligid natin, mga bundok. Alright, and ito yun, Halataw, Hotel Halataw. So, ano to? Para siyang transient hotel siya. And so, yan, mga design. Basic lang. Ayan si Glay, naghuhubad. Ayan, si Hopi, naglalaro ng, naglalaro siya ng open shot. Open shot na bathroom. Okay. So, yun lang siya. Napaka-basic. Basic lang. Tapos, walang AC dito, guys, kasi sobrang lamig siya. Malamig siya dito. Heater ang meron dito. So, yan. So, sa labas, ganyan siya. Kaya may naghuhukay. Inaayos pa nila yung labas, yung garden. I think gagawin nila tong malupitang garden. So, yung sa background na yun, yung mountain lang na may ice. So, malamig talaga. Pag lumabas ka, manginginig ka. So, kung gusto mong malamig, open mo yung bintana para malamig. Gaya nito. Let's see kung mabubugsan. Oops. Yan. Pwede siyang bubuksan. Yan. Okay.